Hey, slow motion, I'm gonna roll a little gate right here, man. Hey, slow motion, I'm gonna roll a little gate, post up on my YouTube so you can hear what you sound like in Tennessee. Slow motion 018 Tennessee Beavis waving at you, rolling the video gate.
Hey, 018, you said you gonna let me see how I sound. Hey, you said you gonna let me see how I sound. Hey, it ain't nobody but slow motion in the Bayou country. And that big body Suburban. Microphone case to speak. And then,
hey, I'll tell you what, man, I don't know what you're doing, but you're up on the D and the DB on my Cobra 2000, and if you hit another...
Well, slow motion, we lost Mother Nature right there. Of course, that figures, that's the way it goes. I got you on the gate, but we lost Mother Nature. But anyway, slow motion, you're blowing smoke in 10. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis with the wave.
yeah, slow motion, you coming in my line of cloud, bro. Slow motion.
Hey, 401, sounds like you got Mother Nature up here in Tennessee right now. 401, I got you on the video gate, rolling the gate, 018 Tennessee Beavis. We're waving 401.
And for used transistors in my new box, and I got
Hey, 018, slow motion, bye, bye, bye.
Oh, I got you back now, slow motion. Mother Nature come back. She's up and down. You got me in the strawberry patch again, slow motion. We still rolling at gate, 018 wave.
Alright, 018, you said you got the Watergate roller. Hey, 018, you said you got the Watergate roller. Hey, 018.
Alright, slow motion, I got you on the gate that time. That done you some justice right there, man. Done you some justice, let you hear what you sound like in Tennessee. 018 Tennessee Beavis saying bye bye bye. We're reading them out.
No copy on 018. No gift on 018 431 to pick a Kansas Mobile back wide.
Hey, 431, I got you, man. Hey, 431 in Kansas, I got you. Let me roll my beam around your way a little bit over at 431. There you go. Good evening, 431 in Kansas, 018 Beavis waving. I got you, slow motion. I got you. Y'all post it up on YouTube here in a little bit. You'll have to look at it, man. I ain't got no playback, but I'm recording it on my phone. It'll be on Donkey Stomper Products on YouTube here in about 30 minutes or so, okay?
Appreciate this out, back no doubt. Donkey Stomper 431 to pick a Mobile back wide.
Roger, 431, sounding good in Kansas, man. Appreciate you hollering. Happy Pappy's Day, 431. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis with the wave.
Hey, well, I'll tell you what, man, it's sounding good out here. You're bodacious, man. It's rattling my speaker. It's so loud. God, and figure you're rattling my speaker and jamming up my meter and tearing me up out here in California. Hey, D-Rail, you're WarLord working this cool technology, and I'm getting up.
Hey, WarLord, we're going to try it one time. WarLord, I'm going to try it one time. WarLord, tell D-Rail I said hello and waving a friendly pipe if you can hear me, which I doubt you can. 018 Beavis said that.
Hey, I appreciate that, man. I'm just happy to get this amplifier from Carl, man, and get it up and fired up. I sold around the 16 pill stations one time. 16 pill stations with all the caps within
Tennessee to say hello. Good evening, town. WarLord 672, 6-pack of Hills is 10. We trying. Oh, 672, slow motion, Bayou Country. Hey, 672, slow motion, big body, suburban, got that. Hey, slow motion, we got you in there, my friend. Hey, slow motion, you got that mobile doing the deal here in the Hills of 10. Slow motion, 672, 6-pack on the Rocky top of the wave. For yourself because you're smoking down here in the Bayou Country with that 6-pack. Hey, 672, take care. Slow motion, about to pull it to the side. Bye, 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 bye. That's my slow motion mobile Roger. I'm back quiet. I can't pump up. I was watching TV and cooking supper, but I gotta roll out here. So hello, T-Well. 1413. Quiet, get down. Brother, hey, 13, I turned my beam your way. What's going on, big brother? Your WarLord got down. Boom, slow motion said, where you at? Hey, slow motion, we right here. Hey, slow motion, 672, 6-pack of Hills of Tennessee. We be right here listening in. Come on. Okay, none of my antennas are too long. But I could probably do it on the ground plane, even though it ain't too for this derail. You know what's going on, right? Hey, I just wanted to let you hear that water gate. Hey, 672, slow motion just wanted you to hear that water gate. Y'all have a good night. I'm about to go to the house. Bye. Swing my beam your way. As soon as I did, you popped up in the corner, man. Sounding good. Hey, slow motion, I guess some Bayou conditions fell out. Hey, slow motion, Bayou conditions have fallen out here in the Hills of Tennessee. 672, 6-pack Tennessee. We're trying to get it back. You got much on? I ain't got much on. Lord knows I don't want to pump up all that, but it don't matter. I'm just going to keep it say hello, and that's it, and I'll get out of the middle road, because all them boys think they got it going on. I gotta tell them on the Super Bowl, quit your damn crying and start buying there, Blake.
Who was that out there that said quit crying and start buying? Who was that out there that said quit crying and start buying? 018 Tennessee Beavis, we're looking. Well, we're going to get back off here and end this gate. 672, WarLord, slow motion, derail. Who else ever's out there, man? Hope y'all have a good evening. I got to get off here and get busy. 018 Tennessee Beavis. I'm stopping that gate. We'll catch you later and have a happy day. Bye-bye.